on our homework hints. Part D.4, hints for last 3 questions, number 23, 24, and 25. Yeah. First, hint for number 23. Yeah. So this one, many students ask me this question. Yeah. So here, I'd like to give you the detailed information, background, thinking way, try to help you solve this problem. All right. First, this one I treat as the most challenging question in this assignment. Yeah. All right. All right. First, do not try to use some formula to give the answer. Yeah. Because when I assigned this question before, many students just try to plug into some formula. Yeah. No. You need to find the answer based on your analysis. No existing formula, okay? No existing formula, or at least in our notes, there is no existing formula you can use. Yeah, so that's the first step. Second, all right, let me help you understand what's the meaning is this, the most important part, among top 4 in the sense of values. Yeah, I just received one question. One student asked me about this. What's the exact meaning of this? Yeah, here first let me explain the meaning. Yeah, meaning just based on our real life experience. What's the meaning among top 4? Right? Yeah, I think you know that meaning, but here to make it more explicit, so I write it another time here. Okay? The meaning is this: among top 4, right? 4, yeah. All right. First largest, is that okay? Is that among top 4? Yes. First, definitely among top 4. Second, among top 4, right? Third, among top 4, right? Yeah. Fourth, largest, right? Yeah. Largest among top 4, right? So these 4 cases. Yeah. So that's the one. Okay. All right. That's the meaning. All right. Second thing is, then I want to explain another important point here is most efficient way to solve this problem. We want to get a most efficient way to solve it. Most efficient way means the minimum number of comparisons. Okay, so that's the meaning. The minimum number of comparisons. Yeah. So why I mentioned this, because some students may do this way, then it is not good. Okay, all right. So many students tend to do in this way. All right. Remember, we have the find the minimum example problem. We have that problem, right? The minimum problem. Find the minimum. All right. Yeah. So then some of the students may do it this way. Yeah. So look at that, if that is good or not. Okay. First, find the largest. Find the largest. Okay. Yeah. So they use n-1 comparisons. Remember, n-1 comparison. Second, find the second largest. Then the remaining n-1 elements, they use n-2 comparisons. Then third largest, so then use n-3. The last case, fourth largest, they use n minus 4. Put together, they tell me that's the answer. If you do in this way, you use too many comparisons. So this way, too many comparisons. And we don't need that many. We can reduce the number greatly. Yeah, so that's why I emphasize this most efficient way. Yeah. All right, so now let me give you the key part. Yeah, the key thinking part. All right, yeah. The method, I recommend the method you use for this question, elimination method. Elimination method. Yeah. But how to use elimination method, right? Yeah, here we can call our strategy using elimination method, our strategy. But the question is, how do you apply the strategy, the execution part, right? And we know execution part also very important in problem solving. Yeah. Here, let me talk about the execution part. The strategy part, easy, yeah, this one. But how? Hard part, yeah. All right. Elimination method. Look, think in this way. Take this view. Okay? Take this view. If we can find one element that beats means eliminate, right? If you beat one, you eliminate that one, right? Yeah. So if we can find one element that beats 152 elements, yeah, think about this. Yeah. Can we get a solution? Yeah, so that's the question. All right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right, so this is the critical view. Okay? Yeah. Critical view. All right? In order to help you understand this critical view better, so let me give you more, information, more information on this view. Yeah. All right. So find the top one. So let's look at the top one case. Top one case. The largest element. Find the largest element. You need to use n minus 1 comparisons, right? Because you find one element, the top one, that beats n minus 1 elements. Then you have one among top 1. Top 1 we treat as among top 1. How about that? Among top 1. Top 1 equivalent to among top 1, right? Yeah. In that case, you eliminate n minus 1 elements, right? All right. Top 2, how about top 2? Top 2, can you eliminate top 2. Eliminate n minus 2. Can you think in that way? Find an element that can beat n minus 2. That is top 2, right? How about top 3? Some element that can eliminate n minus 3. Top 3. Then top 4. Think about it. Think in that way. Think in that way. Okay? Yeah. If you think through all this kind of analysis steps, then you will feel comfortable to solve this problem. Okay. All right. Yeah. So that is question number 23, the hardest one in this assignment. Right? Yeah. All right. Question number 24. Question number 24, you see solution here. When you see solution, I expect you write detail steps. All right? Yeah. The previous those things, you see answer, you do not need to write, detailed steps. So the minimum is you just write the answer. That's okay. But sometimes if you can write a few more steps, especially important steps, you can earn partial credit with important steps, even if the answer is incorrect. Okay? Yeah. In the condition, the answer not correct. Okay? Even answer incorrect, but you write some important steps or, important formula, just, telling me, the right way to work. In case you get a wrong answer, then I'll give you a partial credit. All right? So that's for an answer case. But solution, write detailed steps. Yeah. All right, so here, 2 ordered arrays. I already ordered, okay? So here I may like to write diagram. So ordered, the first one, A1, A2, A3 ordered. All right. The second ordered array, B1, B2, and B3. B3, all right, yeah. Then the question, we want to find the median of these 6 elements. That is the third smallest element of all, yeah? All right, so here, 6 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? Yeah, if we order them, some students ask me, because there are 2 elements in the middle, which one you treat as the median? When that happens, there are an even number of elements. When that happens, we use left median, okay? Yeah, not right median. By default, the median means the left median. So that is the third smallest. Yeah. But we can also treat as 4th largest. 3rd smallest and or 4th largest. Yeah. Because when we look at from 2 different ways, we can get more information to help us eliminate more elements. Yeah, because here we are talking about elimination again. Elimination method again. All right. So what are those elements that can be eliminated from the consideration if we know A2 less than B2 with this given information? Yeah. All right. All right. So here, actually, I remember we did a similar question before, right? Yeah. We did a similar one. The idea is similar to the previous one. Remember, we have five elements. We need to find the median of 5 elements, right? But that's a multiple choice question. Okay? So I ask you, so which element can be eliminated from consideration of median of 5? I give you some information. Remember that one. Here, this one, we use a similar idea. All right. Okay, yeah. So more specifically, yeah, the first part, we try to eliminate those elements, here I just write those elements that are less than 4 elements can be eliminated, right? Because less than 4 elements, that cannot be fourth largest, right? So here it's like this. In this part, those elements that are less than 4 elements, if you have enough information to tell certain number of elements that are definitely less than at least 4 elements, so that in this part that can be eliminated, because left median is outside this block, right? Outside this block. Okay. Yeah. Second, those that are greater than three elements can be eliminated. Right? Yeah. Those, if you can get, greater than at least 3 elements. So that's this part. Right? Yeah. In this part, not covering the left median, right? So you see, 2 blocks of consideration parts. Yeah, these 2 blocks you should consider, right? If you can identify those elements in these 2 blocks, then those can be eliminated for consideration. Try to eliminate as many as possible. All right, so that's the question number 24. Yeah. Number 25, actually, it's pretty easy. Yeah. For this one, we have standard steps. We have standard steps. The standard steps you can find in this example. I did one example there, so you can find the video. Yeah. Yeah. All right, yeah. But here, the only difference, the only difference is here, the roots are integers here. Yeah. In this example, the roots are radical numbers. Yeah. Roots radical numbers. Okay, so that's the only difference. But the way we handle these numbers exactly the same. Now, don't worry, no matter radical numbers or integers, we use the same way to do the standard steps. And actually, for the integer case, the computation simpler because you do not need to deal with the radical numbers. Only deal with integers. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So let me complete all the hints. Yeah.